Hello friends and my dear students, a great morning to all of you. I am Anmol Rajput from class 9 and today I am giving the powerful steps to achieving the goals, and we giving these steps by the students. Students, when a student fail in their exams and he sat in the corner and he became very sad and thinking about his goal and says like these words, I want to do it. मैं यह नहीं कर सकता because I don't success and we not became the success to doing and well doing in the exam, so I want to do it. इसलिए मैं यह नहीं करूँगा, मैं यह नहीं कर सकता. And he saw in there again about his goal and he stand up and says like this word, I can't do it. मैं यह नहीं कर सकता because I am not success to pass our exams. But he again saw their future and says like these words, I want to do it. हाँ, मैं यह करना चाहता हूँ because my career is become about the darkness and he goes about the darkness from the darkness. So I do it, but I want to do it. And he again said and thinking in their minds, I want to do it. मैं यह करना चाहता हूँ but मैं यह नहीं कर सकता हूँ. And again he stand up and says like these words, how do I do it? हाँ, मैं करूँगा लेकिन मैं ये कैसे कर सकता हूँ. How do I do it? मैं ये कैसे करूँगा, कैसे कर सकता हूँ. And he again stand up in their mind and he thinking in their mind and he again stand up and showing in their future and he says like these words, I will try to do it. मुझे इसे करने की कोशिश तो करनी चाहिए. I will try to do it. मुझे इसे करने की कोशिश करनी होगी. और and I success to do it. And by these steps and from these steps they are starts of the journey and to achieving journey starts of the students. And he says like these words, I can do it. मैं यह कर सकता हूँ. And then a student or anyone says like these words, I can do it. मैं यह कर सकता हूँ. So their goal is 100% achieved. And I will do it. And he again says like these words, I will do it. मुझे यह करना होगा because without the doing any work, he never finish. And he doing their work, I will do it. Says like this, मुझे यह करना होगा. And when a student says like these words and after the result taking and you understand in their minds and you can tell me after the steps which steps come of the students. Yes, these steps. Yes, I did it. हाँ, मैंने ये कर लिया. Yes, this is very happiness step for the students because he sat in the corner and thinking in their mind and about and when the starts of the I want to do it. मैं यह नहीं करूँगा. And in the last, yes, I did it. How the difference between I want to do it and yes, I did it. Can you tell me? And if you understand in their mind and you thinking in their mind and you again and you tell me by the comment. So students, you never doing the stop their practice because if you doing the practice and you also and you 100% done any work because any work is not hard. Your thinking making any work hard and making easy. आपकी सोच ही किसी कार्य को बहुत कठिन बनाती है और किसी कार्य को बहुत सरल बनाती है. Because when a student says like this word, yes, I solved this question, he said and he also and he 100% solved this. And when a student says no, I cannot do it, मैं यह नहीं कर सकता, he never do it. So try to do any work and practice their work. Students, I hope you done in their life success and you achieving their goal. Thank you and have a nice day.